Okay, it is like 31 degrees Fahrenheit. Almost looks like 0 degrees Celsius. And it's snowing. It's been snowing, but not much. Gonna do a cold start on the Bronco. First one of the season. The Bronco has not been started since September. Ah, crap, my tarp came off. Well, that sucks. Anyway, the Bronco. So we're gonna do a cold start on this dude today. It's like 5 o'clock in the afternoon, but anyway, here she is. El Bronco. Okay, I'm inside the Bronco, and instead of mice this time I had birds in here, so I had to throw the back door of the roof on, try to keep the birds out of here. Anyway, here she goes. Got the key. Don't need to do any pumpage because it's fuel injected. Got power and tunes. Second try. Boy, this thing's being stubborn. There we go. Oh, it died. Well, it's running, but it doesn't want to. Yay for my door handle being broken. I have to roll down the window to get out of this stupid thing. Well, I did one cold start on this thing last winter, and that's when it still had the roof on it. But figure, heck, why not? Might as well. Everyone seems to like cold starts. Did one, wasn't really one on that car, but anyway. El Bronco, she still runs. And just a little teaser, this will be my next cold start video. The faithful old 72. But honestly, I don't know if it's gonna start. I haven't started it since like July or August or something. So, anyway.